Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're checking out the 500-meter Dumbo Diver by MMI watches. Really unique, cool design. This is on Kickstart. It's going to be on Kickstart a while, then it's going to Indiegogo. I'm going to leave links to both of those below. Please be sure to check those out. This is also a tour watch. I'm going to leave links to all the channels that were on this tour. Definitely check those out also. Hey, this does come with so many options, and that's what's so cool about micro brands. You have so many brace strap options, bracelet, silicone, leather, different case designs. This one is 316L stainless steel, and you can get like a diamond-like carbon case, a DLC black, and a marine grade bronze case. I like the brushing on this one, coinaged bezel, some polished beveled edges, very nicely done. Does have a screw down case back with the MMI logo on the back, a few specs around the back there. Very nice. Yes, it does have a sapphire crystal, and this crystal is covering this really unique black dial. I love this orange second hand with the orange minute markers going around there. Very nice. I'll pull up a close up here. You can see the MMI logo right above center dial, and right below center dial you have Dumbo, automatic, and 500 meters water resistance. So yeah, you can get this in, I think, the Soletta movement. Yes, the NH35, which this one is here, hand winding and hackable. Also the Soletta SW200, you can opt for that. So that's going to be probably the biggest price difference for this watch. Also a date window there between 4 and 5 o'clock position. Hey, the applied 5-minute markers, polished indices, and the polished handset with the ceramic bezel are all lume coated with BGW9 Swiss Super Luminova. I'm going to throw a lume shot up for you there. Absolutely gorgeous. They did not skimp on lume with this watch, that's for sure. Very nice. I just like the option that you can get the Soletta or the NH35. Really cool choices there that MMI is offering. Yes, it's a 500-meter water resistant diver, and there is a helium escape valve there right beside the 9 o'clock position. So what makes this watch to me is the crown. Such a cool design. MMI has done a great job here. You hardly even know it's there. Very easy to use in this position. Nice knurling on it with the MMI logo on the end. It's super comfortable to wear, and again, very easy to use in that position. Just a great job and a cool design. I also wanted to mention MMI has come up with some solutions for this watch. There were some issues with the end link because of the integrated, the hidden lugs there, which I think is really cool. This one has a quick release silicone strap on, very nice. You can also opt out on the Dumbo name on the dial. You can have it or not have it. And you can also select a date window or no date. So more great options with this brand. Just a ton of them. I absolutely love it. Hey, let's get into some specs with this guy. This watch does have a 46-millimeter case this way and this way for great fitting on any wrist. 14.6-millimeter thickness and 24-millimeter concealed lugs bandwidth. Hey, let's get this on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. I think it presents itself very nice. I did fail to mention really nice hardware here with the MMI logo on that brushed buckle. Feels really good on the silicone strap, and it does have a polished 120 click bezel. Very good action. You can hear those clicks. no alignment issues, and no back play. It's a pleasure to operate for sure. This is a really nice watch. I like it a lot. Hey, that's my short look at the MMI Dumbo 500 meter diver. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'd appreciate it. And as always, stay well.